In this video, I'm going to do an instructional video on how to install your CZ457 rifle into our Ultradyne UD chassis. So more than likely, your CZ457 is going to come straight from the factory in a stock like shown here. The first thing we're going to want to do is remove your bolt, make sure your chamber is completely empty and safe, and then you're going to want to flip your rifle over and remove your barreled action out of the factory stock. And so most CZ457s are going to come with a star bit for the head on the factory action screws. The front action screw is located in front of the magwell, and the rear action screw is located behind the trigger. And so we'll go ahead and get both of those loosened and taken off, and you should be able to just pop your factory stock right off your barreled action like shown. So one thing with CZ457s is that they will have a recoil lug in the rear of the action. That will come standard from the factory. You'll not want to lose this because you'll need this whenever installing it into our Ultradyne chassis as well. So with CZ457s, the bottom metal stays on the barreled action whenever installing it into our chassis. And so you can go ahead and take this recoil lug, and there's a pocket in the rear of our chassis that you can drop it into. And then you'll be ready to take your barreled action, line up the bottom metal and the recoil lug and the trigger well, and it'll just drop into our chassis just like shown. And as soon as you get it dropped in, you'll want to flip it over and you'll be ready to install it into the chassis. The chassis comes with all the installation hardware you'll need. With a CZ457, it's a little simpler than some of our chassis. Since the bottom metal stays in the action, you just utilize CZ magazines and you just interface those directly with the bottom metal in the action. And so the hardware that we send is a front action screw, and that is the shorter of the two action screws, a rear action screw, which is the longer one, and then a small set screw and Allen key for the set screw hole in the rear of the chassis, and that'll be used to time your buttstock whenever you're threading it in. So we'll set those to the side, and you can go ahead and line up your action screw holes with your CZ457. So we'll go ahead and install our action screws. The shorter of the two goes in the front. Just line up your hole with the threaded hole in your action, thread it down, and get it just hand tight. Do the same with the rear. Just get it hand tight. And then I like to stand up my barreled action and make sure it is completely seated in the chassis and make sure that action really beds up against that rear recoil lug. And then you'll want to go ahead and torque down your action screws once you ensure that it is seated. 55 to 60 inch-pounds is what we recommend for the torque on our action screws. So I have my torque wrench preset. And so I'll get those torqued down. So that's as simple as it is to install a CZ457 into the Ultradyne UD chassis. Now all that's left to do is install a buttstock, a grip, and your optic, and you're ready to start shooting.